Summer is around the corner, and when I think about summer, I think about oranges. So today we're going to be making orange zest creme brulee. So before we get started, let's preheat our oven to 325 degrees and let's get rolling. If you guys don't have vanilla bean, you guys could substitute it for vanilla extract. Get 7 egg yolks. Then to that we're gonna add 3/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of orange extract. Mix. That's what we're looking for. Grab yourself a saucepan with a handle, and that way it's easier for you to transfer the cream to the egg. Add 4 cups of heavy cream. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check and make sure that the cream is not too hot. I'm gonna mix it. You notice the steam coming out of there? It's really hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just mix it. So right now I have my egg mixture and my cream. What I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of the cream and slowly put it in while mixing at the same time. You wanna put it in slowly because we don't want scrambled eggs. We want creme brulee. And then as you go on, you could go ahead and go faster. Pour it in a little faster. Just make sure you keep mixing. So halfway in, what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and use the pan and just whisk. I'm going to put my cream in a 4-ounce mason jar. So you would notice there are bubbles on top of the cream. So to get rid of the bubbles, go ahead and grab a paper towel and just go in there and just kind of scoop it up. It's more like you're filtering the bubbles. I'm gonna add a little bit more zest to each jar. And that way, they all have a little bit of left. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour almost boiling water. Almost boiling. And I'm just gonna pour it halfway. All right, these babies are gonna go in for about 55 minutes.